What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video here at the clearance store again. Hearing from you guys, man. There's tons of heat here. Heat cart making its presence today. Let's go check it out. All right, man. I'm hearing heat wall or the heat cart has had a ton of stuff lately. Man, I think it's gonna be too late. Do you have to come here early? All right, let's go. All right, they do got the heat cart out. Do got threes right there. Got some creeper cam action. Ooh, some twos. I haven't seen those Jordan 2s in forever, the rivals. I haven't seen those in like a couple years. And they got the Jordan 3s right there. I'm moving the hell out the camera. Got the Jordan 3s right there. Some Jordan 1 lows up top and a bunch of Air Force 1s. Oh wait, no, those are, yeah, got two Air Force 1s and then got a couple of Jordan 1 lows. The Jordan 1 lows, remember, they be selling those for hella cheap. The Jordan 3s way up top, those are what? Those are size what? 10? Those will be $100. And then the Jordan 2s, those are size 7. Man, not bad. I was trying to look at the shoes in person, and I wasn't looking at the camera. The camera was moving up and down like crazy. And I just realized I forgot my freaking gift cards. I'm so dumb. All right, let's see what they got, man. There's like barely anybody here, which is dope. Checking out the 10.5s. I'm gonna be honest, the first thing I'm seeing is if they have any of the Vapor or the Alpha Fly Next percents. I don't see any of my size. They had them then, but not anymore. All right, done complaining about what they don't have. Let's talk about what they do have. The Phantom Rare Fly Knits going for $70. That's a good price. No laces on these. Camaro 16s going for $70. Zoom Pulse down to $30. Some cycling shoes, Super Rough Cycles going for $50. I guess it's Shield now that the rain is over. Might need these. Get prepared for winter out here. $60 for those. Good for the rain. Do got LeBrons right here. These are usually $100. This is size 9 though, the long area. And the size 10 got a ton of 10s. Zoom Freak 2s going for $60. More LeBrons going for $100. LeBron 19s, that is. LeBron 9s. These are size 10, go for $100. Does have that carpet material on it. Kind of do like the 9s. The 9s they fit very, very tight. So, you know, might want to go half size up for sure on those. Terra Kiger 7s going for $70. Verona slips go for $40. Some Tune Max go for $100. Moving on to the 11s. The last time, I swear, we found all kinds of interesting stuff. Not as crazy today. Hopefully we can find something, but that's crazy today. Do got the Air Raids going for $70. That's a really, really good price on these. We just saw these at regular price in one of the retail shops. I was hoping to find some of those LeBron 2s, the gold and white ones. LeBron was just wearing those in the game yesterday, but yeah, we're not really seeing much variety today. Stuff that's been here. The Infinity Run Finder 3s going for $80. Witnesses, these are the Witness 6s, hella cheap, $40. That's definitely the cheapest we've ever seen the Witnesses. You got them in a size, oh, this is size 13. I'm still in the 11 section, but someone threw these right here for $100. This is what I'm looking for, my size. Size 12, dude, got plenty of those. Got some Blazer mids. These are going for $35. These are some canvas ones. Air Max Genomes going for $80. Tempo Next Percent going for $100. Samples. What are these samples? Pegasus. What is this? 36s, 37s. $60 for those. Nike by You. They got a bunch of them in a size 12, but not my size. So I've seen at least 8 or 9 in size 12, man. Apparently all the runners have smaller feet, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, do got some Mercurial Elites. Is that what these are called? Mercurial Elite FGs, I think that's the name. Yeah, $60. Obviously these are Nike by You. 13 multiple Blazers. Both of them $35. Dang, dude. Oh, did I say size 13? Size 13. Yeah, these are the SB Force 58s go for $35. The SF boots, the 8-inch boots, $100 for those. Size 13s. Got some of these. Oh, these are size 16. Zoom PBNX. These go for $20. Crater size 14s. Crater Impacts go for $50. Moving kind of fast because there's just not much. There's really not much. Unknown price tag for the 270 Reacts right there. Kyrie's, tired of showing you guys these. Kyrie's, $60 a piece. Infinity Run Flynet, it's going for 80. Jordan Deltas, going for 80 in a replacement box. 15 Vaporfly Next Percent's go for 60. Do got all the basketball sneakers. $30 for these Kyrie's. Dang, dude. Nike throwing, oh no, it's just all the huge size, I think. Dang, I didn't see any Kyrie's in my size though. Dang it. Checking out the size 9s. Hirachi's going for 60. Dang, way more variety here. The Air Kukinis. I've never seen these bad boys before. $60 for these. We got LeBrons. The LeBron 9s go for 100. Zoom Flies go for 60. Hella cheap. LeBrons. Oh, these are size 8. Go for $100. Back to the size 9s. LeBron 18 lows go for 70. Let's see. Pegasus 38s go for 60. Now they got these. Son of a monkeys. Alright, I'll keep looking, I guess. Metcon 8s. Isn't that the latest model? Did the 9s just come out? I don't know. But $60. Hella cheap. Now I'm checking the size 8s. Dude, got some Invincible Round Flyknits going for $80. Over Break, just hella cheap, going for 70. Man, I just heard how comfortable these are. I did try them on. They were comfy as hell. Especially when you're working on direct concrete and stuff. Zoomfly 4s go for 80. Infinity Run Flyknits. Oh, I'm sorry. React Milers? Oh, okay. Go for 60. Soldiers going for $60. Air Moabs go for 80. Remember, these were selling out like crazy when they first came out. Wow, that's crazy. More of these LeBron lows right here. These are the LeBron Palmers, right? Okay. We are checking one more time. Do still got the Jordan 3s right there. I forgot the colorway, but yeah, those really soft ones. Different materials. Size 10 go for $100. They also got the Jordan 2 Rivals right there. That's a size 7. Then they got what, 2 Jordan 1 lows on the side as well as the bottom, and then 2 Air Force. That's it. Usually the prices are super slashed, so even if it's not like the craziest heat, like it is hella cheap. Like Jordan 1 lows, I think are usually like $60, something like that. So can't find deals like crazy. All right, I'm taking a look at their socks. They do got the everyday socks right here. Go for $15. These are normally what, 20 or 18? 18 or 20. They don't even have the price tag on these no more either, man. That's checked out, man. Making it tough for us to see if it's a good deal or not. These are normally 18 down to what, $10 right here. These are what, a 3-pack. These belong over there though. And they only have the, okay, they do have the Everyday Plus. And I think these are the no-shows, dude, because look at how low it is. It doesn't say no-show, it just says lows. It just says lows, $15. I think these are normally $22 for the Everyday Plus ones. See, these are the Everyday no-shows right here. But I want the Everyday Plus no-shows, which I haven't seen. These look, aren't these the same height? I don't know. Maybe they're slightly lower. And they got the black ones too. I need black ones. But these are all just the lows. I like the no-shows. I don't know. Maybe I need to try one of the lows. Maybe it's not that much of a difference. All the PSG soccer balls all gone. They still do have the Netherlands one. I think it's the Netherlands. I think it's at the Netherlands national team. Is that who that is? I don't know. Still no legit backpacks or ones that I like. Trying to find one for a kid that I know. Not it. They do have soccer gloves and stuff, which is pretty cool. These are for the goalkeepers. Normally $25 down to $10. These are the goalkeeper gloves. And then, oh, these are some higher end goalkeeper gloves. The Mercurial Touch ones. Holy crap, these are the super high end ones. I don't know the price though. Oh, okay, so these are normally 80 down to 30. I would assume that's the same. Okay, okay. Oh wait, this one has all the tags. Oh, it's 130 down to 40 bucks. 130 down to 40. Wow. Wow. Dude, got some Thermafit. These are all smalls. These are down to $60. Normally like 195 down to 60 bucks. Wow. No mediums, no larges, because I would look at that. Bastards. And I'm checking multiple racks, and yeah, they don't have any of the bigger sizes. They do have this. It's probably double XL. Yeah, double XLs. That's it. Yeah, 60 bucks still. Damn, those are fire. I think they had them in that section earlier. More, I think they had more sizes before. Oops. We are in the apparel section, so I guess look at what I'm wearing. Jordan 11. I think they call these the Jordan 11 Low Gym Red. That's what Jordan Brand called it. People call it the Concord Reds. Zero Concord on it, but they kind of look like the Concords, I guess, but no purple. Then I'm wearing a hoodie and some sweats. It is cold, man. It's cold as hell outside, but it is Southern California cold, not like real cold like you guys. I don't have jackets and stuff, so yeah, it's cold for our weather, I guess. You got these dry fit hoodie or sweatshirt. Not even like super thick though. It's like pretty thin. $55 down to $20. It is dry fit. Doesn't look like it's gonna keep you that warm. Wait and look. Look, this looks familiar. This is what I'm wearing. Yeah, this double XL, triple XL, triple XL. Yeah, double and triple XL. That's it. That's it. 25 bucks. I got mine for like $12 or something. Got these sweats, and that's about it, dude. That's about it. No restocks on the heat wall. I think we're done, dude. I think we're done. Let's wrap it up, dude. Let's wrap it up. All right, not the craziest trip, but even when the trip's not super crazy, man, we still found Jordans on the heat wall. Like, there was a size 10. I could have grabbed those for $100. The Jordan 3s, not too shabby. Even the running shoes, I actually did look it up. The Alpha Fly Next Percents, they did have a 10.5. I actually looked it up on the app. Remember, if you check the app, you can actually scan it and it'll show you which sizes they have it in. That's a pretty dope feature on the new Nike app, or it's been on the Nike app for a while. They actually use it now, because before, I swear to God, they never used it. But yeah, I'm probably gonna grab those sooner or later. I just forgot my gift card and really not try to put down $100 for that. But man, there's even on week trips like that, they still got some pretty dope stuff. Still got stuff worth copping. So you know, it is what it is. Not bad at all. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Make sure you get access to the latest videos, because I drop a lot of videos, you guys. Drop tons of videos. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.